Hello, my name is Eva and this is Teddy and this is our surprise football bag that we brought to the shops today. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa, this is rubber trees. There's a little car that the doors can open. And there's a massive Thomas. You can show that Thomas is the biggest one, so it shows that Thomas is the leader of Sodor. And let's see, and this is Lego. This is Lego James, and it can break apart, and you can make it break easily, and you can fix it easily. Easy to fix. Quite easy to fix. That's quite cool. This is Samson. The pop. He's quite cool. Whoa. It's awesome. It's awesome. Cool. And here's Emily. She's quite cool. And here's Percy. Yeah, that's Percy. Don't get it, Sadie. So yeah. This. And we've got 2 Thomases. Actually, we've got 3 Thomases. Look, there's one new one, one quite old one, and one new one. There's 2 new ones and 1 old one. The old one can go quite fast. And let's see how this Thomas can go. Let's see. And this one, that's quite cool. So, and then this one. Oh, whoa, that was so cool. Oh, look, there's another Emily. The wheels don't really go round. And there's a helicopter. It's not a helicopter. Helicopter. There's a helicopter and helicopter. And it can propeller and bye-bye. See you for next time. I hope you like this video. Tap another one to see more fun. Bye.